Hi everyone, today's video is a little bit of an impromptu video. I've been sent a clip that I didn't know about until a couple of my viewers did mention it, of a driving instructor having a collision with a motorcyclist at a mini roundabout. It was from an instructor who's got a channel, Go Debbie Go. Now, I've seen a couple of her clips just come up on shorts. It's not something that I've ever paid attention to. But this clip that was sent to me was taken down quite quickly after it was put up. And I can see exactly why. Let's have a look at it.
God, are you fucking crazy?
So first things first, the driving instructor, Debbie, I think, did arrive at the roundabout prior to the motorcyclist. However, pretty obviously, I'm sure you've picked up as well, that the driving instructor cut the roundabout quite badly. Now, I'm not going to go into liability. That's not my area of expertise. Maybe Big Jobber can have a little look at this one. However, for me, there's big issues with both of these road users. However, there's nothing in the highway code hierarchy about level of driver. It's all on type of vehicle. For example, a lorry driver, because the driving a lorry has more responsibility than someone who is more vulnerable, and that's honestly really important for me. I think that's exactly how it should be. But I also think if you are a professional driver, and a driving instructor is absolutely classed as a professional driver, not someone who just drives all the time for a job, it's a professional qualification. If they have this professional qualification, their standards need to be much higher. And honestly, the cut of the roundabout was terrible. And you could see an absolute mile off that that motorcyclist was not slowing down. What's that phrase that I use? Arrive at the same point at the same time?
Another extra piece that I'd like to add is this. If Debbie had gone slow enough to go around that mini roundabout properly, the motorcyclist would have been much further forward and a collision probably wouldn't have happened.
Yes, big mistake by the motorcyclist. No excuses, you give way to the right, and Debbie is coming around from the motorcyclist right, even though it's directly in front of them. There may be some confusion there. It was a learner motorcyclist or someone who's completed a CBT. But honestly, I can totally understand why this clip was taken down. Last little thing. I know it's easy for me because I get sent clips in from all around the world, and thank you so much to everyone who keeps sending me in these clips. But a lot of instructors and a lot of people on social media sort of get bitten. They get bitten by the attention, they get bitten by the likes. And I'm not saying this was not purposeful, no, but to put that clip out, honestly, knowing what the driving instructor did, if she put this clip out without thinking of the consequences, honestly, it's probably this need for likes and need for clicks that so many people actually have when they have social media channels. It's a shame. Need to do a lot better. In any case, let me know what you think. Keep safe and keep everything a non-event if you can. See you soon.